Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be taking you through how to compress a file or folders. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. We're going to use these files that are on our screen. To compress these files, you first of all select all the files, then you right click, then on the menu that appears you click on send to, then you click compressed. It automatically forms a zip folder. Here's our zip folder. Then you can simply rename it to a name of your choice. You can call ours project 1, and here is our zip file. If you open it, you'll realize it contains all the files that we selected. They've been compressed into smaller portions for easy sharing. Our second option is assuming these files are in a folder. Let's say our HTML folder here, which contains the files. You first of all select the files, then under the menu on top here you click on share. You'll see the zip option. You simply click on it, then it automatically creates a zip folder. Here's our zip folder. You can rename it to a name of our choice. You can call it project 2. And if you open our project 2 folder, here are the files and the folders that have been compressed. And that is how to compress a file or folders in Windows. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.